I've been getting asked lately about the struggles people are going through with self-doubt, not believing in themselves, negative thoughts about themselves. What I found out though about self-doubt is that you don't overcome it, you build something bigger than it, which means you build your self-confidence, and the greater and greater your self-confidence it minimizes the impact self-doubt has on us. You have to understand one thing about the doubts and the negative thoughts you have about yourself. As hard as this is to accept, these are not your thoughts. When you were young in your formative years, these negative thoughts about yourself were planted in you by an external source. You weren't born this way. You weren't born doubting. You were born perfect. You were born believing you were going to do something great. You were born happy. As a baby, I promise you, you had no negative self-talk. You had no negative self-doubt. These are external sources. Those thoughts aren't really who you are. They're somebody else's thoughts they gave you because of how they felt about themselves. So how do we build this self-confidence? Self-confidence is self-trust. Self-confidence is building a reputation with yourself, that you keep your word to you, that you keep the promises you make to you. Somebody with self-confidence has a reputation with themselves that I do the things I say I'm going to do. That's where self-confidence comes from. So the 4 flawed thoughts that I see most right now is, I am my possessions. No, you're not. I am my accomplishments. No, you're not. I am what other people tell me I am and say I am, good or bad. No, you are not. And 4th, you are not what you look like. These are flawed beliefs that lead right to self-doubt and away from self-confidence. This is the social media insidious influence it has in our lives. People like, I don't feel good about myself. I've got this self-doubt. The gateway to me feeling more self-confidence is if I could possess more things, or if I could accomplish more things. Yes, having nice things will make you feel better about yourself. Yes, accomplishing things certainly is a reinforcement for self-confidence. But it's not the pathway to getting it. The pathway to getting it is doing something great with your life where you keep the promises you make to yourself and acknowledge this self-doubt, this self-thought, this negative talk isn't even mine. You are not your accomplishments. You are not your possessions. You are you. You are perfect. You are beautiful. You were born to do something great with your life.